What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. It's your boy cousin here for another crypto video, and today's video bringing to you the MidasDao on Avalanche network. Okay, so the MidasDao, so the token is the crown token. Okay, so MidasDao has been live for quite some time. Okay, so if you go over to the price chart, MidasDao was launched on 3rd of December. Okay, and he had a good run. I ain't gonna lie. So he had a good run. So he went from 120 over here, $120, to all the way to let's say 480, 490. Okay. So from there to that, it took only what 3 days? 3 days to go from 120 to 480. Okay, so that was awesome, and the APY was good too. And as you can see, at the time I dropped this line right here because price was up, and then obviously because the APY was high, high every basis, high percentages on every basis, so people will selling off and taking profits. So at some point it hit that line, but because as you can see was that this lower was higher than the previous one, and the next lower was higher than the previous one. So I thought, okay, maybe the next lower will hit this line right here and it will bounce back up. But yeah, it didn't. Yeah, so it didn't. It failed to bounce back up, and then from there, it was just a straight dumping. Okay, so this dumping happened at the same time as the AIRDROPS, GG, and all those DAOs in Avalanche network were pumping. Okay, Big Well just decided to withdraw all the funds, and that's it. The price crashed. So it went from 394 to $7. Okay, $7, and over here was the bottom. Okay. So currently the reason why I'm bringing this platform today is because the price and the platform seems like is coming from the dead. As you can see, after the dump, the platform has been trading sideways, and recently seems like it's going back up again. So let's go for the 15-minute chart and let's see what's up. So the bottom was here back then. Okay, and now after a while it's been trading sideways, and after a while decided to break through. So feels like a lot more people are coming into the platform again. Okay, the market cap is 47 mil. Okay, liquidity 1.5 mil. The current price is $55. Okay, so just thinking that this token once was around 380. Okay, that's crazy. But and the last 24 hours the trading volume has been $5 million. Okay, so a lot more buys than sales. Last 6 hours, a lot more buys than sales. Last hour, lots more buys than sales, and last 5 minutes, more buys than sales. Okay, so yeah, at the moment, so we crossed this line right here, was resistance line, and he crossed it because he'd been here before, as you can see over here from the price chart. So he hit this line right here, failed to crossed it, but then went back up. Sellers decided to sell, and then price went down, so it trades sideways. And this time it broke the resistance line and found a new resistance line. So this is the support line right now, because as you can see, the price went back to the support line and bounced back up. Okay, so so now we just have to wait and see what's going to happen in the next few days. So if you go over to the platform, okay, if we go over to stake, we can see they are paying 13.3% 5-day rate ROI. So if you go over to the calculator, we can see that for 15.3 divided by 5 days, they paying 3.06% a day. Okay, 3.06% a day. We know 3% a day it's decent. Okay, in comparison to the other ones that are going on at the moment. Always bear in mind, the higher the APY, higher the risk. Okay, so a lot more people will make money fast, and the faster they make the money, and they earn the rewards, they will sell those rewards to make more money. Okay, that's how it goes. That's how higher the APY, higher the risk. Okay, so yeah, this one to epoch warm-up period, 16 hours period, 16 hours warm-up. Okay, so you'll get 3.06% a day. Okay, so the next rebase is going to be in 5 hours and 31 minutes. So the rebase happened 2 hours and 30 minutes ago. So if you go back, 2 hours and 30 minutes ago was around here. So as you can see, well, not even around that. So it was around here. Not much happened during the rebase, which is unusual, okay? Because usually on the rebase, people tend to sell off, but not much happened during the rebase. So is it a good entry? Is it a good time to enter the crown? Well, honestly, it's just up to you, okay? But from what I can see, you know, I will just wait. So for me, I'm just gonna wait until the next rebase and see what happens. Or if the price crosses this line right here, which is the $65 mark, then yeah, it might be a good sign that, you know, the token is going uptrend again. And as you can see, the 20 EMA seems like it's gonna cross the 50 EMA and the 100 EMA. If that crosses, that means, you know, that's a bullish sign. That means the price potentially will go up from that. Okay, but you know, nothing is guaranteed. This is crypto, so we gotta play cautiously. All right. So yeah, guys, that's why I decided to bring the MidasDao, because, you know, for me, this platform was dead, but you know, feels like it's rising from the dead again. Okay, and yeah, so I'll leave the links in the description. So if you wanna check this platform out and jump in, you know, currently paying 3.06% a day. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This platform is on the Avalanche network. In regards to the memes or bonds, whatever you call it, like I always say on my videos, if the mints 5-day ROI, so every time you buy a mint, okay, so you're just purchasing the crown on discount, okay, and if the mint or bond is percentage is lower than the stake, then there is no point buying the discount, because you're not going to have a better deal. But if the discount, the mint is if the mint percentage is greater than the stake, then yeah, it's worth to buy the discount, because after 5 days you will have a better deal. So you will have a better deal in regards to crown token. But bear in mind, the price goes up and down, so you have to take that in consideration. So yeah, at the moment, you know, from what I can see, they're all negative. Okay, so there is no point for you to buy the crown, because there is no discount right here. So you buying this one at $67. The current price is $55. So for example, if you purchase these bonds, this mint, you know, you after 5 days you're gonna be at loss, because you purchased at $70 and the current price is $55. Okay, so you will be at loss 18%. But yeah, guys, that's just something that you have to take that in mind, and feels like something's coming soon. So yeah, always stay close to the price chart, find a good entry point. Okay, usually good entry point is after the rebase. After the rebase, you know, people tend to sell off their profits. But as you could see over here, not much happened during the rebase. The rebase was 2 hours ago, so around 11:30, 12 o'clock. And as you can see, not much. So there was a bit of sales over here, you know, these two sales over here, these two candles, but not much happened, you know. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave the links in the description. Always stay close to the price chart, find a good entry. Usually after the rebase, that's when people tend to sell their profits, but you know, it's up to you to analyze the price chart and find a good entry. As well, stay close to the Telegram group and Twitter to see what's happening, and if they're gonna bring new ideas and new projects to the platform. you know, because something definitely is going up, because you know, this platform is rising from the dead. The token is rising from the dead, and you know, feels like it's gonna go up on the uptrend. Okay, so we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen in the next few hours and days. All right. So yeah, stay tuned in for the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a blessed day. I'm out.